All right, chemistry, let's take a look at our worksheet for chapter 6, section 2. Start with number 1. Use the concept of potential energy to describe how a covalent bond forms between two atoms. So, we're going to talk about how a covalent bond forms between two atoms. We know that a covalent bond involves the sharing of electrons to satisfy the octet rule to achieve a noble gas electron configuration. Okay, but why is noble gas electron configuration so favored by nature? Because it's a low energy configuration. So we're trying to connect this idea of potential energy to how the bond forms. So as the atoms involved in the formation of a covalent bond approach each other, meaning they haven't bonded yet, they're moving around individually, as they get closer to one another, the electron-to-proton attraction is stronger than any electron-electron or proton-proton repulsions, right? So the attraction between the negatively charged electrons and the positively charged neutrons, that attraction outweighs, is stronger than any negative-to-negative repulsion or positive-to-positive repulsion. So because the attraction is larger than the repulsion, they want to become closer. The atoms are drawn closer towards each other, and their potential energy decreases as they do so. As they move closer, their potential energy decreases because they're giving in to that energy, that force, I should say, drawing them closer. But eventually, as you get close enough, right, you have to get very, very close for this to happen, eventually a distance is reached at which the repulsions, right, the electron-to-electron, the negative-to-negative, or the proton-to-proton, aka the positive-to-positive repulsions, between the like charges equals the attraction of the opposite charges. It's a balance point. It's a balance point. It's at that point, that balance point, that the potential energy is at its minimum, and therefore a stable molecule forms. So once the molecule inhabits the lowest potential energy state that it can, it is now stable.